four-leaf clovers. All the luck that's supposed to bring that I used on my wild farm. But there's something I can do to get close to you. I got to, and I love you. Know you feel the same way too. Feel your spirit when you need me and when you're away.
That's not my track.
Somewhere, see you again. But until then, I've got dreams of loving you. Thinking about every little thing we ever did crazy. Sipping on that memory lane. The lane never closes. 7 days of the week I can drive in my sleep. I've got dreams of love, and I love you. I know you feel the same way too. Feel your spirit when you need me and when you're away. Somewhere, see you again. But until then, I've got dreams of loving you. That's all I got right now, man. Thank you very much.
I love you.
I'll be back. Thank you. Thank you guys for coming out today. I'm gonna go back here and I don't know, do whatever we do back here, and then come out a little later on. Nice to see you guys. Have a great day.